Hi everyone. Thank you for joining this important session on trademark registration. I am Advocate Arinath from Arinath Law Firm. Today we will explore the steps involved in trademark registration, why it is essential for your business, and how our firm can assist you in protecting your brand. Let's get started with an understanding of what a trademark is and why it matters to every business, whether big or small. To begin, what is a trademark? A trademark is a recognizable sign, symbol, word, or design that distinguishes the product or services of a particular source from those of others. It is your business identity in the marketplace. A trademark could be your business name, such as Nike, a logo like the iconic tick symbol, a slogan such as McDonald's, I am loving it, even a specific sound such as Intel startup chime. Trademarks are vital because they help customers identify and trust your brand. Without this protection, competitors could easily copy your brand identity, leading to confusion among customers. So, why is a trademark important for your business? First, it differentiates you from competitors, ensuring that customers can easily recognize your brand. Second, it offers a legal protection, preventing others from using or imitating your brand. Having a registered trademark is like locking your front door. It is the most effective way to protect your brand's identity. There are different types of trademarks you can register depending on what aspect of your brand you want to protect. Let's take a look. First, word marks. These protect your brand name or any specific words associated with your business. For instance, the name Coca-Cola is a word mark. Second one is a logo marks. This type protects your brand's logo or symbol like Apple's logo of the bitten apple. Next one is a taglines. If a brand has a distinct slogan or phrase, this can also be trademarked. Think of a phrases like "Just Do It" by Nike. The last one is trade dress. This refers to the appearance or packaging of your product. For example, the shape of a Coca-Cola bottle is protected by trade dress. Each of these trademarks plays a specific role in protecting different aspects of your business. Depending on your brand, you might need one or more types of trademark to fully secure your identity. Now, why should you go through the effort of registering your trademark? The benefits are substantial. First, the exclusive rights. When you register your trademark, you gain the exclusive right to use it within your industry. No one else can legally use the same or confusingly similar mark. Second one is legal protection. Registered trademark give you the power to prevent others from copying or infringing on your brand. If a competitor tries to use your logo or brand name, you can take legal action with confidence. Next one is a brand value. Trademarks are not just legal protections, they are also valuable assets. Investors and buyers see greater value in business with strong protected brands. Trademarks increases your business credibility and worth. Next one is a global expansion. A registered trademark in your home country makes it easier to register and protect your brand internationally. This is especially important if you plan to expand the global markets. In short, registering your trademark is an investment that pays off by offering long-term protection and adding significant value to your brand. Let's break down the process of trademark registration. Although it is a straightforward process, it requires careful attention to detail at each step. Step 1. Search and clearance. The first step is to ensure your desired trademark is unique and does not infringe on existing marks. We conduct a comprehensive search to make sure your brand name or logo is not already in use or too similar to another registered trademark. This step helps avoid legal issues down the road. Step 2. Application filing. Once we confirm that your mark is clear, we will prepare and file your trademark application with the relevant government office. The application will include the mark itself, details about the owner, and the goods or service it represents. Step 3. Examination. The trademark office will examine your application to ensure it complies with all legal requirements. They may raise objection, which is normal. If objection are raised, we will help you respond to ensure your application moves forward. Next step is publication. After examination, your trademark is published in the official journal for a period, allowing others to oppose if they believe it infringes on their right. If no opposition is filed, the registration process continues. Step 5. Registration. Once the opposition period ends, your trademark is registered and you will receive an official registration certificate. This gives you legal ownership of trademark for 10 years with the option to renew indefinitely. At Arinath Law Firm, we handle this entire process for you, making sure your trademark is secured without any hassle. When preparing to file a trademark application, you will need to have some important documents ready. First, business details. This includes your name, address, and the legal entity type. For example, whether your business is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a corporation. Second one is a logo or mark. If you are registering a logo, you will need to submit the exact design that you want to protect. Next one is power of attorney. If you are working with a law firm like us, we will need authorization to act on your behalf during the filing process. Next one is list of goods and services. You will need to provide a detailed list of the product or service your trademark will cover. This is essential because your trademark protection is specific to the goods or service you registered it for. One important part of registering a trademark is understanding the trademark class system. Trademarks are categorized into 45 classes. Classes 1 to 34 cover goods such as clothing, food, or electronics. From classes 35 to 45 cover services like legal services, marketing, or retail. It is crucial to choose the right class when filing your trademark because your protection only extends to the specific goods or service registered under that class. For example, if you are in the restaurant industry, you could register your brand under the service class that covers food and hospitality services. A registered trademark is valid for 10 years from the date of registration. After that, it can be renewed indefinitely every 10 years. Meaning, you can continue protecting your brand as long as you wish. It is important to keep track of renewal deadlines to ensure your trademark remains protected over the years. At Arinath Law Firm, we assist our client with managing renewal dates to make sure that trademark protection is maintained. What happens if you don't register your trademark? The risks are significant. First, no legal protection. Without a registered trademark, anyone can use your brand name, logo, or slogan without your permission. You won't have the legal rights to stop them. Second one is a risk of rebranding. If someone else registers similar mark before you do, you might be forced to rebrand your entire business, which can be costly and confusing for your customers. Loss of market identity. Without trademark protection, your brand can become diluted. Customers might be confused if multiple businesses use similar names or logos, and you risk losing your unique identity in the marketplace. To give you a better understanding, let me share two real world examples. First, let's consider Vibro versus Maria soaps and chemicals. Vibro, the maker of organic Chandrika soap, contends that the respondent Chandra soap creates confusion through a similar name and package. The district court supported Vibro's claim, but the Kerala High Court allowed both trademarks to stand due to both parties have a registered marks. Now, the Supreme Court has issued a temporary order restraining the use of Chandra to protect consumer clarity. This case highlights how trademark law must balance both rights and potential public confusion in competitive markets. Now, second one, in Ambad National Foundation versus Sadar Laboratories, we have a dispute between two popular beverage brands, yes, Roo Afza and Dil Afza. Roo Afza claims that Dil Afza could mislead consumers given its similar name. The Delhi High Court initially disagreed, yet on appeal restricted the use of Dil Afza. Recently, the Supreme Court upheld this view, citing Roo Afza's well-established reputation. This decision is a reminder that brand legacy and consumer perception play vital roles in trademark rulings. Both cases reflect the need for business to invest in distinctive recognizable branding, and they emphasize the legal protection available to maintain these valuable identities. As trademark dispute continues to evolve, they will shape the competitive landscape and the importance of safeguarding brand integrity in India. At Arinath Law Firm, we specialize in trademark registration and brand protection. Here is why our client trusts us. First, expertise. We have years of experience in trademark law, making sure your brand is properly protected. Second one is comprehensive search and filing. We conducted detailed searches to ensure your mark is unique, minimizing the chances of objections during the registration process. Next one is legal support. If objections or disputes arises, our team is ready to defend your application and help you navigate any challenges. And last one is affordable fees. We believe in transparency, so you can expect fair and affordable rates with no hidden cost. We are dedicated to protecting the brands that our clients work so hard to build. Now that you understand the importance of trademark registration, I encourage you to take the next step. Don't wait until someone else claims your brand. Reach out to Arinath Law Firm today and let's start the process of securing your trademark. Thank you all for attending today's presentation on trademark registration. Remember, your brand is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it through a trademark registration is essential for long-term success. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. Have a great day and we look forward to working with you.